Max Force still closed. We got a fan running, but that's it. Barely running. Skytreck is running though.
And Raging Giant Drop's running.
Yeah, Giant Drop's running too, which hasn't ran for like, I feel like the whole season. Yeah, but Max Force still isn't open. Everything is booked. You're gonna go on like either we went on Relay Dodge and that was it so far. We were gonna go on Demon and we walked in there and it's just every single thing was wrapped and we're like, okay, with the app 45 minutes. Oh yeah, that's definitely 45. And everything else is leading out the station. So yeah, don't come on a day where it's the weekend of a holiday. Yeah. Looks like they are repainting the front area. When I say repaint, it looks like they drained it and now they have things saying pardon our dust. So I'm just gonna presume repainting the little pond they have in front, which is good. So it's really awesome they actually did that. And also it smells like kind of paintish like, so I'm just gonna assume they're repainting it.